Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. I'm doing this Phrase of the Week video from our camper van in a holiday park. Not a holiday, but a holiday park nevertheless. And I thought of this one because it's a really good one to add to our phrase that we could use for this week. So, kia, like what we've done with things like kia kaha, be strong. This one means kia tere, be quick. Tere, tere, kia tere. Kia tere, be quick, and it means hurry up. It's a way of saying hurry up. So kia tere is something that we could easily add to our kete of knowledge for te reo Māori with children, with other people in the family, perhaps not just random strangers. You wouldn't really probably tell them to hurry up, but it would be an easy one to start adding kia tere, because you probably already know kia from kia ora and kia kaha, and this is kia tere. Ka kite.